going through the problem, getting a solution, getting it wrong, and then trying to figure out how you went wrong. Right, so we'll pretend all that stuff happened. Right, so log of both sides, right? So it's log differentiation, so that's going to be our first move. So the natural log of y equals the natural log of 2x to the 2x. All right. So I'll ask it this way. So somebody tell me what the wrong next step would be.
The wrong?
The wrong next step.
Doing what we usually do, hopping over?
Doing what we usually do, hopping over, exactly. All right. So if you hop over at this point, you're incorrect. All right. But that's instinctively what people do because that's what the last few problems required you to do. The issue here is it's only the x that's being raised to the 2x power, not the entire expression 2x. If there were parentheses around the 2x, then sure, you could hop it over. But it's only the x that's being raised to the 2x. So you don't have reason enough to hop the 2x power until, put a little multiplication symbol in there, until we do what?
ln of 2 plus ln of...
Plus ln of whatever, exactly. All right, at which point you could hop the 2x. All right, so we have ln of 2 plus 2x, bless you, times ln of x. I'm going to write it like that to really emphasize the product rule that's going to come out of this. All right, left-hand side still ln of y, which has a derivative of what? Exactamundo. All right, differentiating the right-hand side, ln of 2 has a derivative of what? 0, because ln of 2 is a constant. It's a number. All right. For the other piece, we have to use the product rule. So the first function, 2x, multiplied by the derivative of the second, which would be what? 1 over x, exactly. Plus the second function, ln of x, multiplied by the derivative of the first, which is what? 2. All right. Right-hand side actually cleans up fairly nicely here. So we would have, the 0 you can disregard. 2x times 1 over x is just a what? A 2. So we're looking at 2 plus 2 ln of x. And that's equal to 1 over y times dy dx. Now, if I want to get dy dx alone, exactly, multiply, in this case by y, but in this case, the y is equal to 2x to the 2x. So it's this expression multiplied by your y. So 2 plus... I feel like that's an overreaction. Unless he stubbed his toe, in which case it's an appropriate reaction.
Unless he what?
Stubbed his toe. Yeah. The auditory response to that is appropriate. Like basically that. That's the noise I make when I stub my toe. I mean, a similar noise is made when I bite my tongue, but it's like a gargly version of it. Like,
Hate that. That's the worst.
like a muffled string of profanity usually comes out. Like spittle of blood everywhere. So 2 plus 2 ln of x times 2x to the 2x would be our derivative. And fun fact, this is not the first question that we've done, but this is one of the few types of questions where you can't do it any other way. You have to use log differentiation. For a lot of the other problems, it's a luxury. Here it's a necessity. All right. End of speech. You're all sufficiently noted.